A very good day to the judges. Today I would like to present our idea, which is MindC, Capture Your Mind, See Your Mind by Serious. Serious is actually our group name. So why do we name our group as Serious? We are actually a group of students that do everything seriously. That's why we name our group as Serious. So without further delay, I would like to proceed to introduce my group. So we are actually 4 students from Universiti Sains, Malaysia that currently studying computer science. So first and foremost, I would like to introduce our project director, which is Lau Wei Lim. Next, I would like to introduce our programmer, which is Pang Shihao, me, myself, and Ko Jing Yi. Last but not least, here comes our database designer, which is Lok Jun Wei. So perhaps you are asking, why do we actually came up with this idea? So without further delay, I would like to introduce our problem statement, which is technology had increased the gap between humans nowadays. So nowadays, during gathering, people are actually looking on their mobile devices rather than chit-chatting with each other. So therefore, the solution that we propose is we introduce an interesting way to bond people together. So the next problem statement that I would like to introduce is there is a difficulty in getting feedback during an event. So to solve this problem, we actually introduce an easy way to get the feedback plus the interaction between the guests. Next, I would like to talk about the idea objective. The first idea objective that we have is introduce an innovative way in connecting people. MindC also actually introduced a new way for people to express their opinions during an event. Last but not least, MindC also enhanced social application nowadays with interesting graphical user interface. User will no longer feel boring with the conventional design of the social application, which consists of pictures and words only. Next, I would like to talk about our target users. Our target users is actually people from any level in society that wish to join an event. Last but not least, MindC also helps to promote an event and let users to discuss the event with its creator before the event started. Next, the development environment of MindC is the programming language we use are C# and XAML, which is extensive markup language. The database is provided by Windows Azure. So we thank Windows Azure for providing us with its cloud services and SQL databases. So the next, I would like to talk about the features which contain in MindC. First and foremost, I would like to introduce augmented reality system, the channel system, and of course, the group system. First is the augmented reality system. Augmented reality system enables the detection of faces of all users in the camera frame. Last but not least, the augmented reality system also displays the status and the command of recognized users in the camera frame. The next features I would like to introduce is channel. The channel is actually the event created by event host. So creator may edit the event details in channel. So last but not least, user may drop the join events or delete the created event in channel. Lastly, it is the group features. Event creator may create groups during this session. Besides that, other users can view and join the group also. Lastly, there will be a lot of chat room and chat box that will be implemented inside the group. So the creator and the guests of an event, they may gather in this session and talk about the event before the event even started to let the creator to understand more about his or her guests. So after all the explanation being done, I'm sure that everybody have a clear picture about what is MindC actually does. So now I would like to introduce a scenario in which here is the camera frame in the augmented reality system in MindC. So below here will be the event's name in a meeting. So over here, there will be a lot of users, there will be a group of people gathering together to have a meeting. So user 1 is saying that how should I do? And user 2 is saying boring meeting. Lastly, user 3 is saying what should I say? So this is a general picture about what is being carried out in MindC. Next, I would like to let our project director, Lau Wei Lim, to further carry on with our project prototype demo session.
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to present the project demo and prototype to you all. And in this section, I will not appear in front of camera. I would like to have a seat to present and demo the apps for you all. Thank you. So we introduce you, MindC. First, the user have to type in their username and the password in order to log in. So after that, this will be the main navigation page. There consists of 3 sections. The main feature will be camera, and there's 2 types of camera that user can choose. First will be the webcam, and the second will be IP camera. So in our case, we use IP camera as our camera. So the user just have to enter the IP address for a camera. So let the recognition begin. It actually takes a few seconds to get the results. So as you can see, the detected face and the thought are listed beside here. So you can actually choose to interact with the people appear in the face. So we can actually know what they're actually thinking in their minds. So the second feature will be the channel. Inside this section, the user can actually know what is actually happening around them. The event name, the event description, and the event date time. The user can choose to be an event creator, or they can actually view the event that have been joined and join a specific event. The second feature will be the group. The group section will be the user search for a group and they can actually chat in the group. So the user can actually join or create a new group and search for a specific group in the database. The third feature will be the social feature. In this section, after the user join a specific event, they can actually post what they actually think about an event. They can share their mind to the people around them, and they can also comment to someone's post. And this feature is actually connected to our camera feature. So the user that posts their mind in this social page will actually connected to the camera. So last, be personalized. The user can actually screenshot the specific page, the specific frame of the camera. So they actually, in this situation, will be the scenario of 3 people meeting in a meeting room. So this is their name and their thoughts inside them. So this will be the setting pages, and this is about us. We like to thank BetaFace for having the face detection and recognition algorithm for us. So with this, I would like to end my demonstration section. Thank you.